Hello everyone, I'm Thomas from CSJ Printer. Today I want to introduce our CSJ-297FY water-based printer. This printer can print paper cup fonts, paper bags, pizza books, big books, and many kinds of materials that can absorb water. It can be used for many kinds of production requirements. This printer structure is easy to understand. It has three main parts: automatic feeder, printing, and collection. Firstly, is the automatic feeder. It can easily change how it fits material based on what the material is like. After the material is thinned out, our correction system fixes this. This makes sure the pattern on each material prints in the right place. We also provide closure strips so we can print clear patterns even on uneven materials. So there is no mistake or waste. Second, the main printing part. It has brand new original HP A3 print head. This makes pattern clear and firm, showing small details clear. It uses the CMYK4 color printing system, which gives brighter and truer colors. It can make many different design effects. And the build speed is 40 meters per minute. Pieces ink cost is only $0.000042. The ink is strong in cartridges. Refill ink is simple and easily, and the cartridges can be used again. It helps cut down on supply costs. Most importantly, the ink is made of safe, eco-friendly, water-based materials. It has passed tests from trusted organizations like SGS, which check if it's safe to use near food, so you can feel safe when using it. Third, the material collection platform. When the products are collected here, you can send them out of the warehouse right away. This makes the later steps faster. The home printer is controlled by a computer. You can quickly send design files to use in Wi-Fi, USB, or other ways. It also has a print management system we made ourselves. This system shows imported data right away, like how much ink each product uses and how fast the printer prints. One-click start is not hard to use. You don't make printing plate first. Just send an image to the computer and you can print directly and support printing multiple orders together. Ordinary workers can learn to use it after a short training. You don't need to rely on skilled technicians. Nowadays, more and more people need small batch orders. This printer can truly let you take orders for just one product. It fits perfectly with flexible manufacturing requirements. It helps companies responsible to market orders quickly and get more business chance.